looking for the fastest times. Come on, the fastest times. Come on, you can do it. Look at the first one making around the room. You can do it. The fastest time. Remember, the fastest times win. Big shout out to Lisa Shadows here, the Riverhead Chamber of Commerce. We are so thankful for you putting us together. This amazing event today. The fastest times, this is the outlaw race, y'all. Come on. The fastest times really coming down. We got the first one coming in fast. Come on. Channel Mike and the the outlaw race. Oh, it's looking like a time race. We got coming in fast. We got the first one. Remember this. We have 2 hits for this race. We got the first one coming in. Rock the time. And the first one is. The first one, and that's the second heat. Come on. The first one coming in. We got 2 heats for this one. This is the first one. We got the winner for the first heat. Come on now. Come on, make your way down. Come on, make your way down. I think I'm gonna sing it out. Come on. Roll your boat, shoot you down the stream. Life is but a dream. Roll your boat, shoot you down the stream. Oh, it's but a dream. Roll your boat, shoot you down the stream. Oh, life is but a dream. Roll your boat, shoot you down the. Come on, y'all. Shut them over the head. Come on. Shut them over the head. Spirit. Mark the times because the fastest times is going to be marked the winner. Come on, Sailors. Come on, Sailors. Come on. You know how hard it is to make the boat and then sail it? They made their boats and now they're sailing it. Come on, round of applause to our sailors. Come on, show that Riverhead spirit to our sailors. Come on, cheer them on. Pivot. That's right. That's it. First heat. Round of applause to our sailors. Round of applause to our sailors. Gentlemen, such a great job. Gentlemen, shut them down with the head spirit. Alright, they're coming in, that's about it. That's the first heat. That's the first heat. Round of applause for the first heat. We got a second heat coming in for the outlaw race. We got a second heat coming in for the outlaw race. One of the fastest times. The fastest times right with the winner.